So we've just finished the scientific committee meeting, and this was an open plenary, so we had a number of physical observers with us, and we also had a lot of observers online. An area that was a real focus of the meeting, and it was also something that was of real interest to the observers, was the whole area of chemical mixtures. So there was a very detailed discussion on the assessment, a document that we're preparing, a guidance in terms of the assessment of chemical mixtures, and that will be taken forward to further discussion in spring. And in addition, we adopted a smaller companion document that focused specifically on the issue of genotoxicity as it relates to chemical mixtures. So another key area of discussion related to the issue of communication and engagement, which is a very important part of the remit of EFSA. In the last year or two, the Scientific Committee has been working on a guidance document for uncertainty, how best to manage uncertainty in scientific assessments. And in association with that, colleagues in EFSA and also experts have been working on communicating uncertainty. How is that best done? And a document was tabled which was discussed in detail and endorsed. So another key area of discussion during the Scientific Committee meeting related to the work program moving forward, really over the next 2 or 3 years. We spent time discussing existing work that is to be completed, but in addition we spoke about 3 new areas that will be tackled in the next year or 2. And each of them is very interesting. One relates to the area of synthetic biology. One relates to the interpretation of epidemiological studies. And the third relates to non-monotonic dose response. Another really important part of the work that the Scientific Committee does relates to essentially not just developing guidance documents, but also helping to guide the implementation of those documents, seeking to ensure that the work done by each of the panels is harmonised in terms of the assessment processes. And so a focus of the discussion in the last day and a half has been on capacity building, on training and also evaluation in terms of the building of capacity amongst experts in each of the panels with respect to the guidance documents that have been developed.